Hello, I'm Anma, the voice binibini of Batch 16 of Certified Voice Artist Program, and your... Alam tumingin. Hello, I'm Anma, the voice binibini of Batch 16 Certified Voice Artist Program, and you're watching my testimonial video about my experience. Sige, una, ano nga ba ang CVAP? So, CVAP is a program that aims to help you improve as a voice artist, and it was founded by Mr. Pocholo Gonzalez. I've heard this program a long time ago, so ibig sabihin, matagal na rin akong interested na sumali dito. I was just waiting for the right time para, ito na, masabing ito na nga, this is my time na i-explore ang aking talent in voice artistry. It just started with me being curious kung meron nga bang nagtatrain o nagtuturo dito sa Pinas about voice acting. And there you go. CVAP was the obvious answer. So how was my experience being part of this CVAP Batch 16 journey? It wasn't easy. Siguro kung ako pa ay nasa work from home setup, ay mas madali akong makakagawa ng